Hi, it's Jeff from Sussex Installations. So today's job, Mercedes Vito. It's the 2015 onwards Vito. This one's actually a 2017 model. This one's got a tailgate. So a lot of them we have with the barn doors. This one's with a tailgate, which is quite nice. So with the tailgate, we have deadlocks on either side. There's one deadlock and there's the other one there. So one deadlock on either side of the tailgate. This is twin side load doors, and we have the deadlocks that actually fit in the bodywork of this van, which means that even if you've got a window in the side load door, you can still have the deadlocks fitted basically, which is a good thing. This customer's also had the deadlocks on the cab as well, and all these deadlocks are keyed off the same key. So they're all keyed alike off of the one key, and you get a spare key anyway, which again will fit all of the locks. These deadlocks basically, it's just, you should know, I'm sure by now if you watch any of my videos, it's just given that extra layer of mechanical security. So if someone gets past your factory locking system on your van, the door opens up. If we just unlock it, the door will open, but just a little bit, and then the deadlock is just given that extra layer of mechanical security, stopping the door from opening. The deadlocks on the side load door are actually a hook type of lock. Same principle, the door will open that little bit, and then it will stop the door from opening, but this is our hook style lock. So as the lock comes out, it hooks into the bracket which we fit onto the actual side load door itself, which is to help to reduce the chances of it spreading. If someone's going to try and do like a spreading attack with a large screwdriver or a crowbar or something, then it's just making the deadlock as resistive as it can be to an attack. Another thing we've done is a lock-in modification. So this is a manual lock-in modification that basically means that if you're inside the inside of this van, lock the van up, we've made these handles redundant. It's not going to open up. If someone's trying to open up your van, get to this handle inside the van, because of our lock-in modification, it's not going to open up the doors, and you can't override the central lock-in with this button in here. Another little touch that makes the van more secure. We fit an alarm system to this also. In addition to the alarm system we've fitted, we've added cargo area protection. So this is really important. It's the type of thing that's often actually not even added onto a van, but you need cargo area protection. A PIR is the best thing that I would recommend, and that will detect even if someone cuts a hole inside the van, cuts a hole in the roof, peels the doors down. If they get into the van anyway, then at least the alarm is going to go off. The alarm's going to know that someone got inside this van. We fitted high position pin switches to this as well. So typically the pin switch on the van is low down, like in the catch of the door down here. So if someone is doing a peel and steal type of attack, then basically the alarm doesn't know the door's been opened because the catch is low down. So we fitted these high position switches, and what that means is if someone was to start peeling the door down from the top, it's only going to be a few millimeters that they open up the door before our pin switch gets a detection. So early detection that the door's being opened from the top of the door, which is also a really good bonus. And if I just arm the alarm, put the alarm on, lock the van, the alarm goes on. The alarm is being protected in the back with a PIR. The tops of the side load doors with the high position switches. It's using all the factory switches low down in the doors all the way around and on the bonnet. And we've also fitted ultrasonic protection inside the cab. So that ultrasonic protection is in case someone breaks a window and leans into the front to remove contents. And you can see up there a nice high visibility bright blue flashing LED up the top, just to let anyone passing by know that there is an alarm system fitted to this van. We've also done something else here. We've also fitted a ghost immobiliser to this. So if anyone was to even steal the keys for the van, copy the keys in anyhow, they're not going to start this van up, because if they don't know the sequence of putting in the pin code, they're not going to be able to start it. So there's no visible sign that there's a ghost immobiliser fitted to this van. But if I go to start it up, it just won't start. And that's because I haven't entered a sequence of buttons. And this sequence is a unique pin that the customer can decide for himself. We fit a temporary pin, and then he could fit another pin afterwards. So what he can do is, it could be a combination of between 4 presses and 20 presses of any of these buttons here, basically, or these buttons here, and he can make a really unique code. So I'm just gonna guard the code that I've put in temporarily, and I'm gonna input it. And if you look on the dashboard, you get 2 flashes from that light there, and that means that we're good to go. We're ready to start up. So if you're looking for security for your Mercedes Vito or any other vehicle, get in touch via the website. It's www.sussexinstallations.co.uk. Thanks for watching.